Hi, my name's Daniel. I work for MultiTech and we're here at Las Vegas at the CTIA show 2014. Today I'm going to show you how you can harvest data from thousands of endpoints and backhaul them into your network, your operations center, your cloud platform, or even trigger them into Twitter or Dropbox. Here we have the endpoint. It's called an MDOT. This thing can go 10 miles line of sight. It can do 2 miles through concrete structures and difficult RF environments. That MDOT is sat inside this little box, which has a variety of sensors in it. Motion sensors, temperature sensors, and barometer sensors as well. This is the platform that we're using and we're introducing this week. It's called the MultiConnect Conduit. On the back, it has Ethernet backhaul, and it has your choice of 2G, 3G, 4G, and everything in between technologies. For the local connectivity, we've got optional accessory cards called M cards. These guys can enable you to customize this gateway for a particular vertical segment. You could use RS485 for something like industrial factory automation. The IT guys, they love Ethernet connections. You could also have GPIO, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or long-range wireless access technologies talking to our MDOTs. This particular gateway is using one of those. It's using a technology from a company called Semtech called Cellular, and the actual platform itself can be configured in many different software languages. We can use C++, Java or JavaScript. We have Perl, Ruby and Python, and Perl coming online soon. We also have, for the IT professional and the systems engineer, a graphical drop and drag environment that enables IT guys to create complex Internet of Things applications at their desk without having to rely on software guys. They can make changes during the lifespan of the product and change to the evolving use cases of the Internet of Things. This particular one is showing how everything that's coming through our LoRa card and everything that is being controlled by this switch will toggle on and off. We've connected it to a 2-second delay and a fan. So as I turn it upside down, it toggles on off, waits 2 seconds, and this fan comes on. If I turn it upside down again, it will tell the fan to stop working. The reason that we show this demo is that we show that this guy is a fully duplex technology. We sent a message from the box to the platform. We sent a message from the platform down to the fan. It's a fully duplex technology that's scalable from 22 kilobits per second all the way down to 100 bits per second, which gives it a phenomenal amount of use cases rather than just being focused on meter readings and a variety of low bit rate sensors. Another demonstration that we have today is dice, because of course it's Las Vegas. So let's roll the dice. This time, instead of just controlling a piece of equipment, we're actually using IBM's Bluemix cloud and using their IoT Foundation classes, which they're launching within the next 4 weeks or so. And we can see 5 and a 3 came up. It settles for a second, and then it reports up to the foundation, and the Bluemix cloud shows us the virtualized representation of that. So, hundreds and thousands of endpoints, data harvesting, control, configurability, all through a gateway that's controllable through all manner of different software environments and a graphical environment. And in order to aid deployment, we've wrapped it into a whole App Store environment where your application can be used either privately or publicly to be deployed halfway around the world to your end gateway and your end devices. Or if you know that you're going to have another 100 or 1,000 coming online as you distribute them through your oil and gas facilities or your retail locations, Then as these things get plugged in by the local technician, they come into our device HQ, and device HQ will push down exactly the application that the platform's been told to take. A little bit like an image being pushed into a computer coming onto a network. My name's Daniel, I work for Multitech, and you've just seen an introduction of the MultiConnect Conduit platform, the App Store, Semtex LoRa for long-range wireless access technology.